Here's how to add an ingredient in Chef's Food Cost Calculator app. From the calculator screen, open the menu and tap Ingredients. At the top, you'll see Add Ingredients and the category choices. For this example, I'll tap Proteins. In the form, enter the supplier. In this example, I will use Restaurant Depot. Then enter the ingredient name, which you choose to add. I will be adding chicken. Next, enter the quantity you purchased and choose the unit. For recipe costing, use a unit that matches how you measure the item in recipes, like ounces or pounds. Then enter the total amount paid for the ingredient. The app will automatically calculate cost per unit. Tap Save. The app will save the ingredient to your account, calculate the cost per unit, and add it to My Ingredients. To update it later, just tap the ingredient to open the edit screen and make your changes. To use it, tap the back arrow to return a calculator. In Select Ingredient, search for chicken. From here, enter the amount you need, select the unit, and tap Add. Now that ingredient is ready to build recipes, batches, menus, and events while keeping your food cost accurate.